Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make beef hamburger, full guide. Begin by preparing 80% lean ground beef, seasoning it lightly, and forming even 4-ounce patties. Keep the meat cold, avoid overworking, and press a small dimple in each patty to prevent bulging. Use medium-high heat, flip once, and rest briefly for best juiciness. I'll walk you through cooking times, toppings, and assembly tips for great results every time. Warm and friendly here. Sear gives flavor and a nice crust, while controlled heat preserves juiciness. Start with a hot surface, place chilled patties, and resist pressing them down. Flip once when edges show browning and juices collect, then finish to your preferred doneness. If you want medium, aim for about 3 minutes per side. Check with a thermometer for accuracy. Rest the burgers briefly before building your sandwich. Hi friends, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes kitchen cleanup almost fun and frees time for grilling. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Building the burger is where personality shines. Toast buns, melt cheese on the hot patty, and stack thoughtfully. Start with sauce on both bun halves to protect from sogginess, add lettuce or crisp veg, then place the patty and finish with pickles or onions. Keep bright elements like tomato or pickles to cut richness. Taste as you go and adjust salt or acidity for a harmonious bite every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.